So in today's video, we're going to look at relationships. So relationships are a way to tell the database, in this case, Microsoft Access database, how two tables or multiple tables are linked together. So if we go to our database tools tab up here and we go to relationships, this will show us all the relationships in this database. So in this database, you can see we've got a whole bunch of different ones, but I'm just going to concentrate for 2 seconds on orders and orders details. So you can see the orders table is linked to multiple things, which makes sense, right? So, you've got shippers, you've got order statuses, you've got invoices, you got a lot of different things that link into the orders table. You can't pull all that data into one table. So in order to link these two things, what you can just do is, just like any query that you would have created before, you just drag these two between each other. You can say it already exists to create a new one, and then you can add ones in here. So I'm not going to add this one right now, but you can do many to one, one to many, one to one. You can do different types, join types, left joins, right joins. You can do all of that. So here we've already got one existing, so this is the one we just looked at. So let's close this. We're not going to... You can save the layout changes for this. We are not going to save this for now. So where this becomes important and useful is when you create a new query. So if I go into query design and I take the orders table and I take the order status table, I no longer need to remember which two... Scratch that. Let's remove that table. Let's do the order details table. If I need to link these, if I need to create a query of orders and order details, I no longer need to remember that order ID goes to order ID. This one is simple, but in a lot of databases it is not simple to know which two fields connect the two tables that you have in question. So now when I create this report and I want to say, show me everything ordered on this date for this product ID, obviously there would be another table here. So here's the products table. This is already linked, so I've got the product name. So now I can easily see, hey, what was created, what was ordered today, what was ordered today, and give me the list of products. There's nothing in here because we don't have up-to-date data, but this is an easy way. With these relationships already created, everybody will know how these link. You can see here's a good example of something where it is not easy to know that the product ID goes just to the ID field on the products table. It could go to the product code. You don't know. Obviously, if you've been here a while, if you've built this database, if you're familiar with it, you would know. But for somebody new or somebody looking at this for the first time, they wouldn't know that. So really useful to create those relationships ahead of time. That way when you create queries, at least visually, you can do it in here. And then, of course, if you're taking this into code, you go to SQL View and then just copy it into your code. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.